Hello students, in my previous video I taught you about irrational numbers and some decimal expansion of rational numbers. Here we will see some more example of decimal expansion. So this is the question which I'm explaining here. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So here are some numbers which I will explain. First is 36 divided by 100. So 100 is dividing 36 here. So we will start by decimal. 100 threes are 30, 300, and then you will get remainder 60. Again, you will extend one more zero and it will come 600. So you are getting remainder here 0. So that means expanded form of 36 upon 100 is 0.36. And which kind of number it is? It is terminating number. Terminating number. Right? So answer of this question is this and this. So here next number is again 11 upon 1 upon 11. So you are dividing this 1 by 11. Again, this is divisor is greater. So when divisor is greater, you have to start after putting decimal. So decimal, you put decimal and you increased 1 0. You added 1 0 in 1, but still you cannot divide it because still it is dividend is lesser than divisor. So you will put one more zero in quotient after decimal and then you can add one more zero here. Now you can divide this 9s are 99 and then again you will get 1. So again you have to do same thing, repeat same thing, then you will get 99, then get 1. So that means this number is repeating. Which number is repeating? This number is repeating 0909. So what you can say, you can put bar, this is repeating 0909 and so what you can say, you can write 1 upon 11 equals to 0.09 and you can put bar because this is repeating number after decimal. So this is the expansion, decimal expansion, and after that you can write this is non-terminating repeating number. Repeating number, right? We will go for third one. Third one is in mixed fraction, so you have to write it in the simple fraction. So 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33. So you have to divide this number by 8. So 8 4s are 32. Now you will get 1. Then you will, after putting decimal, you will add 0 in it. So 8 1s are 8. Now you will get 2. Then you will send 1 0. So 8 2s are 16. Then you will get remainder 4. You will add 4. 8 5s are 40. So you are getting remainder 0 here. So what is the decimal expansion form of 4 whole 1 by 8 is 4 whole 125, 4.125. And which kind of number it is? Terminating number. Okay. Now we will go for fourth one. Fourth one is 3 upon 13. 13 is dividing here 3. So again, you have to start from decimal. 13 2s are 26. I will write like till this 4. Again, you are adding 0. 13 3s are 39. Then here remainder value will 1 will come 1, then you are adding 1 0, still you can't divide, so you will add some 0 here. And then what you will do, you will divide it by 7. 7 times it will go. 13 sevens are 91. Then here it will come 9. You will add 1 0, and then it will go 6 times. So 13 6 are 78. 78. Now it will come 12 here. If you are adding one more 0, now it will come 9 times 13. 9s are 117. So again you are getting 3 here. Now you can see you have started dividing 3 by 13 in the start. So that means now it will be repeating. So you can put bar here. This number will be repeating after this point. Okay. So decimal expansion form of this number 3 upon 13 is 0.2307669. And this kind of number, which kind of number it is? Non-terminating repeating number. Okay, non-terminating and repeating number. Now we will come for 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11 will 11. So if you are putting 0 here, 11 ones are 11. Then you are doing here 0, 8s are 88, and again 2. So this again, from where you started, you got same number. So that means this number will be repeating. So here you can write 0.18, and this number is non-terminating, non-repeating, this also and this also. Both numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating numbers, right? So this is also non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. Now I will come for this number. This number, if you write like that, 400, 329, you have to divide. I'm writing quotient value here. You have to start from decimal. Then 4 8s are 32. So 3200 will come here. And then if you are dividing it, 90 you will get. Then you have to increase 1 0. 400 2s are 800. Then you will get 100. And then again, if you are adding 1 0, then again 400 2s are 800. Then you are sorry, this is 800, not 8000. Then again you are getting 200, and if you are increasing 1 0, you will divide this 5s are 400 5s are 2000, and you are getting value, remainder value 0. So this is terminating number. Terminating number. Okay, so this question has been solved. Now we'll go for next slide. Now what we have to do, we have to write these sums which are in decimal form, decimal expansion. These decimal expansion, you have to find it in the form of P upon Q. So what we will do, we will go ahead. First thing, what does it mean? Bar means this number is repeating, right? So we are letting here x equals to 0.6666. How many times you want to write? You can write. Okay. So here 6 number is repeating. So here how many numbers are repeating after decimal? 1 number. So we will multiply by 10 both sides. 10x equals to, if you are multiplying here by 10, so what will you get? 6.666 and so on. Isn't it? Yes. Now you can write this number 6 plus 0.6666 and so on. 10x. Correct? Now this number, what this number is, we already wrote here. Let here, letting suppose let x equals to this. So here you can write 6 plus x, and here 10x already. When you are taking this x, this left hand side, so it will become 9x equals to 6. Now x equals to 6 upon 9, and you can make it in reduced form. So you will get 2 by 3. Therefore, 0.6. What will be the rational form in the form of P upon Q? It will be 2 upon 3. This will be the answer. Here it is. Here, this is bar is only upon above 7. So that means 7 is repeating, right? So if you are letting this x equals to 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, and so on. Now, these two numbers we have to take before decimal. So what will we do? We will multiply by 100. So here what will come? 47.7777 and so on. Isn't it? Now you can write this 47 plus 0.7777. You can't? Yes, you can. 100x. This 47 also can be divided into 43 plus 4. I have only wrote in that manner. This will be same here. Now, if you joining these two now in next term, so what will come? 43 plus 4.7777 and so on. Here is small difference. You can't write x equals to this. What to write here? Here you have to write if you are multiplying this number by 10. So what you will get? You will get 4.7777 if you are multiplying by 10, isn't it? So what will you write here? You will write here 10x instead of x. Correct? When this 10x will come here, it will become 90x and it will become 43. So x equals to 43 upon 90. Therefore, you can write what the number is, 0.47 bar equals to 43 upon 90. This is the answer. This is the answer which you have to write. Now we'll go for third one. Third one is, again, we will suppose x equals to 0.001001. Why we wrote in that way? Because this number is repeating. These three numbers are repeating. Now here, how many numbers are repeating? 3 numbers are repeating. So we have to multiply by 1000. Okay. So here, if you are multiplying by 1000, these 3 number will come before decimal. So no meaning to write this. So only 1.001 you can write like that. Okay. So here is 1000 x equals to 1 plus 0.001001 and so on. Again, you can write 1 plus x here, 1000 x. Now you will bring this x to the left hand side. So it will become 999x equals to 1. So x will become 1 upon 999. Simple. Therefore, P upon Q form of 001 bar will be 1 upon 999. That's it. This has been solved. Now, one more question we'll see here, which I have already written because there were so many numbers after decimal. So it was difficult to make division and then writing and then so on. So I have already divided and written number here. So I'm telling you what to do in this. So here what to find? Find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So I have already found decimal expansion of 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. These are the rational numbers. Okay. So 3 irrational number we have to find it now here. Irrational numbers. So irrational numbers means those numbers